Hello there, today I'm going to show you how to make exploding gift cards. You can use them for any occasion. You can use decorated papers, you can decorate them how you want, you can personalise them, put names on the side, you can put things in the middle, you can put little gifts inside them. This one has an Easter egg inside it, little gift for somebody. This one here has lots of layers inside which you can add photos, memorabilia and use it as a little scrapbook. So the first thing that you need is a square piece of thick paper or card. This one is A3 size, so I need to cut it down. It measures at just under 30 centimeters, so I'll just measure it out and cut it down to make it square. So now I have a nice square of card. So I need to divide that into 3. So it's just shy of 30, so I'm looking at just under 10 centimetres. 0.1. What I'm going to do, because I don't want to be working it all out, is 9.9. And then I'm going to measure it in from the other side, 9.9. That means the middle one will be more. And the middle one is about 10. Okay, so if it was just a normal square, I could just go 10, 20, 30, or the scrapbooks are in inches, so I would be using an inch ruler. So that's that side done, and then this one here. Now I better just check this is recording, because otherwise all this is for nothing. Right, let's see if that's recording. Stop. Okay, so I've measured out this paper into thirds, so I've got my lines here where the thirds are. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is fold them along those lines. I'm going to use my ruler. And I'm going to just very gently push against the ruler there to give me a nice straight line. Then I'm going to do the same here. The same here, 1. Okay, so that's giving me the edges. Now I'm running my thumb over it, but you can do that with the ruler as well, or with a knife. So now I've nice folds. Now, I'm going to need to do something with the corners here. On this one, I've cut the corners out, which you can do, you just cut along the lines, that gives you the option. Or on this one, I've made the corners into hearts. That's the one I'm going to show you today. So, now there's different ways of doing it. So I'm just folding that line down there. Now I'm going to need that to be, just going to push it onto the outside for the moment, check my inside bits lined up and my corners lined up. Then I'm going to draw this shape so that it has like, I'm going to draw then this shape so it's like a little handle that it has. So it's from about there to about there. Just to give myself a cutting guide. Okay, so I've drawn the arch on there. Now I'm going to use my scissors. There, so that's giving me one, and then when that folds in, okay, so this one here isn't quite in again. There we go, that's got that better. So then I can now, I'm not sure if you can see that one. Now, so the next thing that we need to construct is the lid. Now